In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $215 just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. I'm going to share with you which services I was promoting and how you can use Pinterest to promote your affiliate links just for free. You don't need to use any paid ads. So let's get started. As you can see over here in my commission, I made $215, and in today's video I will share with you which services I was promoting on Pinterest. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to Fiverr affiliates and they want to join Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google. Okay, so just go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here as you can see, and sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. So after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do, you can also check this website and you can check commission plan over here, so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each services you will promote, because Fiverr affiliates they have a really good commission. They are paying up to $115 just for one affiliate service. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, there are services that you can get up to $115. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliates, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, like this, and as you can see over here, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliates is super easy and simple. Okay, so what you need to do now is you just need to put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, password, scroll down, account type, make it private, and you will answer a few questions over here. You can say yes or no. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and you can choose your country over here. Okay, then you will choose your language, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have Skype, just click on next, answer few next question, and that's all. It's really easy and simple as you can see. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to go back to your home page to Fiverr. Okay, so let's go back to our home page like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you which service you need to promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Okay, because you cannot promote any services, you need to choose specific services that people are searching for on Pinterest. Okay, so you can get commission. So just click on your search over here and search for Etsy promotion. Okay, search for Etsy promotion. Why we choose this service? Because a lot of Etsy sellers are using Pinterest to increase their orders and get more orders and make more money on their Etsy shop. Okay, so that's why they are using Pinterest to promote their products. So what we will do, we will use this Etsy promotion service and we will promote this Etsy service on Pinterest as an affiliate. So people who are using Pinterest to promote their Etsy product, they will be interested to use this service to promote their product and make more money. Okay, so it's win-win for each others. Okay, so I'm gonna choose, for example, also I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, and so on. Okay, so for example, I will choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has almost 5 stars, a lot of reviews. I will click. Okay, let me see. I will do Etsy shop listing promotion to increase Etsy traffic. Okay, click just on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr homepage, as you can see over here, okay, like this. Okay, so what you need to do now is you just need to copy his profile link. Okay, so just copy his profile link, then go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links like this. Okay, then click over here, okay, and put this seller profile link here like this. Okay, then click over here again, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do now is you just need to copy this link from here. Okay, then what we will do now is we promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. Okay, so if you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest. The sign up process to Pinterest is super easy and simple. You just need to sign up by using your email address and make sure to open a business account, not personal account. You need to choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Pinterest. Okay, so what you need to do now is you just need to click over here on create pin. Okay, and you will be directly in this page. Scroll down and put your affiliate link here. Okay, so this is my affiliate link. Then what you need to do now is you need to put your title, and here your description, and here picture. How we can do this is just go back to this profile seller on Fiverr, and you can copy his information because you are just an affiliate, so you can use his information. I'm gonna copy his title. I'm gonna go to Pinterest, put this title over here, description. Let's go back to his profile page, scroll down. This is his. Okay, let me see, graphic design, about this gig. Okay, go to this about this gig, click over here on read more, then scroll down. As you can see, this is his description. I'm gonna copy just this part to show you. Okay, go to Pinterest, put this description here. Okay, like this. You need picture, go back to his profile page. Okay, scroll down and click on his picture here. Okay, this is his picture. Double click, save image. Okay, I'm gonna name it Etsy. Okay, download. Okay, like this. Let's go to Pinterest and click over here. Okay, and upload your picture. This is my picture about Etsy promotion service. Click on open, and here you go. This is your picture, your title, description, and your affiliate link. What you need to do now is you just need to click over here on publish, and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. So people who are using Pinterest to promote their Etsy product, they will find this service on Pinterest. They will be interested to use this service to increase their orders and get more orders and make more money. So they will be interested to use this one. Okay, so that's why I choose this service. I always choose specific services that people will be interested to buy. Okay, so that's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. You don't need to use any paid ads. You can just use free traffic from Pinterest and make money with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and like this video. Share this video with your friends who are interested to start making money with affiliate program. I'm gonna share more services about Fiverr affiliates, so stay tuned, guys. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and see you in my next video.